Hey, it's Sarah from Lion Brand, and I am here with Truboo, a new yarn from Lion Brand that is made from bamboo. How beautiful is this springtime palette? It's perfect because Truboo is a great yarn for warm weather projects. This yarn is 100% rayon from bamboo. It comes from natural fibers, and Truboo creates a fabric that really feels like silk. So you're getting the feel of silk without paying for silk. And you can see it also has that gorgeous shine. Each ball has 241 yards or 220 meters. And Truboo is a lightweight number 3 yarn, and it's machine washable. If you're looking for project ideas for Truboo, it's ideal for shawls and summer cardigans. You're gonna see in the swatches that I'm about to show you how drapey this is. It's amazing. All right, now for the fun part. Let's knit and crochet with Truboo so that we can see how it works out. So here is the swatch that I crocheted with Truboo. I used the recommended hook size, which is a G6 hook. This is just a single crochet swatch. For both the knit and crochet swatches, I blocked them by just wetting them in the sink and then laying them flat to dry. That really helped so that they weren't curling up anymore. And look, it's really beautiful and flat. And you can see how shiny this yarn is. I know this might sound a little weird, but Truboo actually feels cool to the touch. So this is amazing for the summer. And you can see the drapiness. Especially crochet fabric can be really dense, and this is not dense at all. It's flexible. It feels absolutely fantastic, so smooth. This would be such a beautiful shawl. I really enjoyed working with this yarn. Moving on, let's take a look at the knit swatch. So here is the swatch that I knit. It's a stockinette stitch swatch, and again, I used the recommended needle size, which is a size 6. Truboo feels so nice to work with. It's really smooth, so it just glides off your needle. It's almost slippery, but in a good way. And again, just take a look at the drape. This fabric, it feels almost liquid in my hands. I think that's so cool. So now that you have seen Truboo, I hope that you will go and check it out. It is a luxurious rayon yarn that's made from bamboo, and it comes in a range of gorgeous colors, perfect for spring and summer, which is coming up soon. What are you dreaming about making with this yarn? Happy stitching!